How does it cause intestinal obstruction? Now remember Meckel's diverticulum. Meckel's diverticulum is considered to be the most common. It is the most common lead point in children. In children for intersusception. It is the most common lead point in children for intersusception, and hence intersusception will result in intestinal obstruction. What is intersusception? It is when the proximal end of the bowel goes into distal and blocks the bowel, and hence the content cannot move forward. We will talk about in our tomorrow's lecture about the bowel obstruction. In that, I'll tell you in detail about all these components. For now, you remember Meckel's diverticulum is the most common lead point in children, resulting in intersusception, and that intersusception will result in bowel obstruction. It will result in bowel obstruction. So in general, when I say what is an intersusception, this is how the bowel looks like. If I just divide them, this is the proximal end, this is the distal end. When the proximal end of the bowel telescopes into the distal end, that means when the proximal end of the bowel, it telescopes into the distal end. And when it goes into the distal end, this is where the proximal end of the bowel, this is the distal end of the bowel, it is going to go inside, it is blocking, it is clogging in. This condition is what we call it as intersusception. When the proximal end of the bowel goes into the distal end and it clogs it, this is what we call it as intersusception, and that is what is caused by Meckel's diverticulum. It is caused by your Meckel's diverticulum, right?